Alright mateys, I know it's been a while since I've posted a cooking video. It's partly because I spent the winter, or most of the winter, at my son's house in Virginia, and I didn't do a lot of cooking there. But now I'm back on the boat. I've been back for about 3 weeks now. Water hasn't been turned on yet at the marina. I think they're going to turn it on tomorrow. It's raining today, so we're not going to get the water turned on. It's just difficult on the boat to do the cooking videos and then clean everything up without having some running water to help make the cleanup process a little bit better. But I have done a few things this year. While I was at Dom's house, I came up with this idea. I'm putting together some cooking classes, online cooking classes, that you can download. Now there's going to be a small fee for those, but the cooking videos themselves will still be free. And I'm moving all of this to a different channel called The Minimalist Gourmet. And that's going to be on YouTube and Facebook. Part of that reason is cooking is such a interesting and big topic all by itself. And then boating and cruising and sailing, that's a big topic all by itself. So to make it a little bit more clear, I've separated those out. I'll put links below in the description so you can see, and please visit The Minimalist Gourmet. And why minimalist? Well, you know, as boaters, we're the ultimate minimalist. I don't care how big a boat you have. It's still a bit of a limited space. I'm on a 30-footer. I've got a decent amount of space, I think. The galley is rather small, but it's adequate. And that's where the minimalist comes in. You don't need a lot of equipment and a lot of extra things, you know, like blenders and mixers and slicers, and the list just goes on and on and on. We don't need that much. When you become proficient with using the knives, you don't need a lot of that. So that's where the minimalist comes in. The gourmet is, we're not cooking hot dogs and beans. Well, we may do a few of those, but we're going to make some very nice meals in a limited space without a lot of ingredients, and it's going to be a lot of fun to do so. I'm hoping to start doing the cooking videos again next week. We'll start off with a few of those, and I've still got to finish editing some of the cooking classes, but I think you'll find those very interesting too. So anyway, until next time, guys, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends, and bon appetit. Stay safe out there with this coronavirus. You know, we're kind of self-insulated by ourselves anyway as boaters, so I think we are on the plus side of things in a lot of ways. Ciao.